Come look, there are 10 ducklings coming down the driveway. Lori's voice was excited, so I headed outside with my camera, and sure enough, coming towards me was this beautiful mother and 10 little ducklings, all headed from the meadow behind the carriage barn out to Lake Champlain.
Here they come again. And I'm gonna have to stop traffic for them because she is not stopping. And we're getting close to the road. There's a car. Go ahead, you gotta be very good. We're gonna stop at the side of the road. Right by the culvert. There they go. Okay, hold on. You're okay. Okay, that car slowed down. Alright, I'm gonna stand right out here in the middle. Alright, guys. Okay. There we go. Oh, good. Everybody, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 little ducklings. Everybody's across the road. Now, getting down this bank's gonna be a little tricky. And there they are. All of them are in the water. They all made it. Floating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.